Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share the beauty of Gota work, a traditional decorative technique that adds sparkle and elegance to any outfit. Let's explore different designs, uses, and styling tips. Gota work, also called Gota patti, is a type of Indian and Pakistani embroidery where golden or silver ribbon is into fabric to create patterns. Commonly used on wedding dresses, dupattas, lehengas, and festive wear. Types of Gota work: floral patterns, perfect for bridal and festive outfits. Geometric designs, modern and stylish. Borders and edges. For dupattas, saris, and shirts. Heavy all over work for luxurious royal looks. Best fabrics for Gota work: georgette, chiffon, velvet, silk, organza. Pair with minimal jewelry if the Gota is heavy. Use pastel fabrics for a modern touch. Combine Gota with mirror work or thread embroidery for unique looks. Care tips: dry clean only to maintain shine. Store in a cotton cloth to protect from dust. Gota work is timeless, festive, and perfect for adding sparkle to your wardrobe. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fashion inspiration. One of the most beautiful and eye catching forms of traditional embroidery. I will show you its history, types, design, ideas, and tips to style it perfectly. Gota work, traditionally made with real gold or silver ribbon, now often done with synthetic metallic threads for affordability. It's a symbol of celebration, used in weddings, festivals, and cultural events. Small level or petal shapes stitched into fabric, perfect for floral motifs. Kinari Gota, decorative edging used on dupattas, lehengas, and saris. Motif Gota, pre-made designs like flower or stars sewn on as accents. And now we are talking about handmade embroidery, one of the most timeless and creative ways to decorate fabric. Whether you are a beginner or an expert, embroidery is an art you can enjoy at home. Handmade embroidery is the art of decorating fabric using a needle and thread. It's done completely by hand without a machine, used to make clothes, home decor, and accessories more beautiful. And now, elegant velvet suit designs for every occasion. Velvet suit styling ideas you will love. Royal velvet suit trends you must try. We are talking about one of the most luxurious and timeless fabrics in fashion, velvet. I will be showing you stunning velvet suit designs and giving you styling tips to look elegant and classy for any occasion. Why velvet is special? Smooth, rich texture, perfect for winter and festive seasons. Looks royal and stylish in both Eastern and Western styles. Types of velvet suits: embroidered velvet suits, machine embroidery on velvet for wedding or party wear, plain velvet suits, simply yet classy for formal gatherings, aplic or zari work velvet suits for festive events, velvet suits with organza dupatta, mix of luxury and elegance. Color trends: deep maroon and wine red, royal blue and navy, classic black and gold combination. Styling tips: pair with statement jewelry, heavy earrings or choker, soft glam makeup for a balanced look. Heels or traditional khusa for Eastern suits, minimal accessories for a modern velvet pantsuit. Now we are showing some gota work suits. This gota work script with the velvet suits and aplic work once into a single stylish fashion. So you can wear this in different beautiful colors in gota work and mirror work mixture. It's looking so beautiful and beautiful makes in beautiful colors.
Excuse me, boss.
Today we are exploring moti work, also known as pearl embroidery, a delicate and elegant way to decorate clothes and accessories. Let's see how it's done and where you can use it. Moti work is a decorative technique where beads or pearls called moti are sewn onto fabric, popular for bridal wear, party dresses, and luxury outfits. Adds shine, texture, and a royal touch. Single pearl stitching, individual pearl stitching across the fabric. Cluster motif work, groups of pearls forming floral or star pattern. Border motif work, pearls sewn along sleeves, dupatta edges or shirt hems. Mixed embellishment pearls combined with sequins, stones or zari. Best fabrics for motif work: velvet, perfect for winter weddings, silk, chiffon, georgette, net, bridal lehengas and saris, party gowns, formal kurtas and dupattas, clutches, bags, shoes, and accessories, home decor like cushions and table runner. Choose pearls and threads that match your design. Mark the design on fabric with a fabric pencil. Use a fine needle to sew each pearl securely. Knot thread at the back to prevent loosening. For heavy designs, use double thread for strength. Always hand wash or dry clean. Store in a soft cloth to protect pearls from scratches. Avoid ironing directly over pearls. Moti work is timeless, versatile, and always elegant. Whether you are making a bridal dress or just adding a little sparkle to a casual outfit, pearls can transform your look. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fashion ideas. Handmade Handmade embroidery is more than just decoration. It's a form of art and self-expression. With patience and creativity, you can create stunning pieces that last for years. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Types of handmade embroidery: cross stitch, X shaped stitches to create patterns, chain stitch, looped stitches that form a chain like pattern, satin stitch, smooth, solid fill for shapes, French knot, tiny knots for textured details, running stitch, simple straight stitches for outlines, aplic embroidery, attaching fabric pieces with decorative stitches. Tools you need: embroidery hoop, keep fabrics tight, needle, embroidery floss, colorful threads, scissors, fabric, cotton, linen, silk, etc. Pencil or fabric marker for design tracing. Step by step process. Select your fabric and wash iron it first. Draw or trace your designs on the fabric. Place it in the embroidery hoop. Thread your needle and start stitching according to the pattern. Experiment with different stitches for texture. Secure threads at the back so they don't loosen. Design ideas: floral patterns for dresses or cushion covers, name letter embroidery for gifts, borders on dupattas, saris, and shirts, decorative hoops for wall art. Care and maintenance: hand wash gently or dry clean. Avoid pulling on threads. Store in a dry place to prevent damage. Handmade embroidery is more than just decoration. It's a form of art and self expression. And now we are talking about some aplic work. I mean fabric design technique. Beautiful aplic work ideas for beginners. How to make stunning aplic designs on clothes. Easy aplic techniques to transform your outfit. I am going to show you how to create beautiful and unique clothes using aplic work. Whether you are a beginner or already love sewing, these ideas will inspire you to make your own designs at home. What is aplic work? Applic work is a decorative sewing technique where pieces of fabric are stitched onto a base cloth to create designs, patterns, or pictures. Materials you need: fabrics, scraps, cotton, felt, silk, etc. Base fabric: clothing, shirt, dress, cushion, cover, etc. Scissors, needle and thread or sewing machine, fabric glue, embroidery hoop. Choose your design: flowers, animals, shapes, letters. Cut fabric pieces according to your design. Place and pin them on the base cloth. Sew around the edges using straight stitch, zigzag, or blanket stitch. Add embellishment like beads or sequins for extra beauty. Use contrasting colors for a bold look. Always iron fabric pieces before stitching. Start with simple shapes if you are a beginner. Experiment with different stitches for texture. And that's how you can turn plain cloths into stunning pieces with aplic work. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative fashion ideas. Types of applic: done with needle and thread for a personal detailed finish. Machine applic: faster and ideal for professional finishing. Reverse applic: cutting through the top fabric to reveal the fabric underneath. Shadow applic: shade fabrics used so the underlayer designs shows through. Beaded or embroidered applic: adding sequence, pearls, or embroidery on top of applic shapes. And that's everything you need to know about applic work. With a little creativity and patience, you can transform plain fabrics into unique, beautiful pieces. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.